So here I'm gonna talk about four topic. For the first, I will talk about myself, and the second, I will talk about someone biographic, and for the third, I will talk about object, and the last, I will talk about the place. For the first, we gonna talk about myself, and my name is Muhammad Rehan Maulana Farid, and I was 17 years old, and I was born and live at Bandung. I'm a student at State of Polytechnic Bandung, majoring in informatic engineering. I was born and raised in Bandung, and I spent my whole education in here. I was in SD Negeri 222 Pasir Bogor at elementary school, and I'm continuing to SMP Negeri 40 SM SM SMP Negeri 48 Bandung for the junior high school, and both of them are located in Ciwasta, which is not far from my home. And for the information, my home is located at Margahayu Raya. It's specifically in East Bandung. I started learning about informatic engineering when I was in vocational high school, because after I graduated from my junior high school, I was continuing at uh, vocational high school for Bandung, which is located in Buah Batu. Uh, it's near from high it's near from it's near from uh, Trans Studio Mall, if you guys know Trans Studio Mall in Bandung. Aduh. And I was study and in vocational
In my
in my
vocational high school, I do a lot of things like make a project, study, and then
and also I'm creating some website, making a game, and doing some programming tests. The project is really helped me to understand how the technology work and made me more confident about programming. So in the future, I want to build my career as programming, because I want continuing what that have I start in the vocational high school. Besides that, I speci I special I specifically interest in becoming front-end engineering and work in cybersecurity. So I was trying my best to achieve my dream, because I want to be a cybersecurity. And then I have a hobby. My hobby is watching movie and play some video game. I usually doing this thing in my free time or my spare time, because when I do watch movie and I'll playing game, that's really helped me to find relax, and I feel happy when I doing that thing. I enjoy watching many kind of movie, like series, movies, Korean drama, and so on, anime. And for the games, I play some competitive game like Valorant, and then I used to play Mobile Legend. I used to play Apex, and I do play some story game too, like Space for the Unbound, Subnautica, Hollow Knight, and the other. So that's all about myself, and now we are going to the second topic. Second topic is about someone, and now I will talk about Rowan Atkinson. If you guys don't know, Rowan Atkinson is more popular with his stage name, and his name is Mr. Bean. And now, the book that one I talk about is Rowan Atkinson. It's by Bruce Des Bruce Des Bruce Dessau. I I don't know how to speech it well, but you guys can see the book is in up here. And what is the book about? So basically, uh, it's not is just a collection of funny story about Mr. Bean, because that we know Mr. Bean is really really synchronized with some funny story. And for this book, it's much talk about uh, who is Rowan Atkinson. And in this book, I can see who is Rowan Atkinson and how can he become this tenor, and uh, how can be a Mr. Bean, and how the first time Mr. Bean is make him make a different path on him. So in this book, I have about the good and the bad stuff, or we can call it like plus, minus, and interesting for me as a reader. For the first, that uh, plus point for me is the book is super detailed. It the author is really did his homework, because the book is full with information about the people who call it who called by Mr. Bean. And for the second, it's not focus about this the story about funny story. It focus on how can Mr. Bean becoming the one who's the most viral in this world. And in this book, the author give it information about art of comedy. So it's not just about the basic comedy that you guys can find it on the film that Mr. Bean make it. And for the minus, it's not an official biography, because it's not uh, it's not in direct with Rawat and Kinsum. So the author is make a book based on his analyze on his research. So it's not Rowan's own personal story. And for the second, it can be a bit slow time, because if you guys look for funny things like about the Mr. Bean story, some part might feel a little slow, because the book is really focused on how can Mr. Bean work, not how not a story about Mr. Bean. So that's why some people maybe can feel like uh, not really like the book, because it done what they look maybe. And for the interesting part for me is Robert Atkinson is engineering. Yeah, I just know the fact because I read the book, and he is engineer from Oxford. Then he has a master degree in electrical engineering. So I think that was a awesome awesome achievement because we know he's really genius. And the interesting part for the in and beside that, I just know because he's took a name of Mr. Bean. He have other name that is called Mr. Cauliflower. It's funny because when I just hear that name, it remind me of flower because the name is Mr. Cauliflower, and uh, and in the book that it's a details about Mr. Cauliflower, and the author say it Rowan Atkinson picked it because he like a vegetable, so that's why he picked Mr. Cauliflower. Before finally he is choosing Mr. Bean. So that's all about what made I think about the plus, minus, and interesting at the book for me. And for the conclusion, there's one idea that really stuck. Sorry, really stuck in my head that that it sounds. Rowan Atkinson comedy is not an accident or an act of fool. It's a genius construction built on incredible intelligence and contrast. Yes, as we know before, he is a genius person because he just graduated from Oxford, or like Oxford, and what he's doing is not just an accident that can make the people laugh. It's made by his brilliant brain. So I think uh, that's all for what my book read about someone, and we go for the third part, that is object. And now I'm going to talk about one figure that my brother have it on my home, and the figure is Jeng Jeng. Yeah, it's Hirono. This figure is caught my attention because the figure have unique art. And for your information, actually this figure is not my own. It's belong my younger sibling. But when I see this thing, I found it very interesting. That's why I decide to talk about it here. This figure is the small one figure. It's called Hirono, and this figure is become quite popular recently. That's why my sibling is buy it because he want to know what is Hirono. And as you guys can see, the figure is like a boy that holding I think this is drum and wear a hat. And then the size for the this thing is for the tall is maybe around 6 or 8 centimeter, I think. And for the size for the other size is I think around 3 or 4 centimeter. And when I know from my sibling, it have the most interesting part for me is this figure is when we buy it, it come with a blind box. Then we don't know which figure we got before we open the box. So I think it's very interesting because I like that like gacha things. That's why I I borrowed it and I talk to you guys. And as you guys can see, this figure have a really nice detail. And for the example, in his head, it have a nice detail, as you guys can see, for the color and how they make his hair. And it don't have any interactive feature because it just meant for display, but because detail are really nice, I think that's one of the worth thing that he buying. And for me, the most important and the most interesting part is when we buy it, it come with a blind box. That's why I really interest to talk about it. And I think it's all about this here now. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. And for the last time, we gonna talk about place. So we are in the last topic, and now I'm going to talk about my hometown and my dream place. So I live in Margahayu Raya, which is located in East Bandung, like I said before. I've been here since I was a child until now. Yeah, this is in Margahayu Raya. So there are several and different things I like about this area. I think about the variety food because there's so much food. Then for I'm sorry, so much food that they sell in Margahayu Raya, and you can find like snack or you guys can find like mie ayam, martabak, or anything you guys like. And the people in here is really nice, and I think it's quite strategic because it's close to place that can reach for public such as school, mall, hospital, and the other. And what makes Margahayu Raya is unique is many place in here that name from what is called, oh, from our solar system is like Jupiter, Mars, Mercurius, yes. Some some road, some road in here is named like Jupiter, and they have a it's part of Jupiter like this. So when you guys talk with someone in Magahiraya, you guys can ask like, where your home? And then his answer with, oh, my home is in Jupiter. We can know that he's people from Margahiraya. And for my dream place um, is Japan because I've been curious about many things about Japan, like the culture, the food, unique tradition, and many more. And I want to see with my own eyes how beautiful and clean Japan is because, as we know, Japan is being tenured with the uh,
How beautiful and how clean in the Japan is.
some commentary and talk about the entertainment industry in Japan, and it says that Japan entertainment industry is one of the biggest and the most creative in this world, and that's why I've been curious about that. And there's another reason why I really want to visit Japan someday, and I hopefully I can going to Japan with my special with someone that's special to me. That's one of my biggest dream is in this life. And I think that's all for now. Thank you for the attention, and thank you for hearing about four topics that I talked to you guys. And I'm sorry if I can speak if I made a mistake in my speak, but I hope you guys um, can catch what I mean. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.